Hi everyone. So in this lecture we'll be talking about sets. Okay. So like list and tuple, sets are also used to uh, you know collect or store multiple elements in a single variable. Okay. But unlike list and tuples, they are unordered. Okay. Unindexed or and unindexed, unordered, unindexed, and unchangeable. Okay, so by all these things it means that when you enter or insert an element in set, they are you know present inside set in random manner. Okay, so what that means is ki like list and tuple, if we are adding something, they are supposed to be added like this only, right? They were ordered, but in the case of sets it is not the case. Okay, the one time when you will access the set, it will be 1 2 3 4. The other time it can be 2 3 1 4 and so on. Okay, so this is what it means by unordered, unindexed and unchangeable. So if the elements are randomly distributed, so even if you do, so if this is a set S, so even if you do S of 0, one time it will give you 1, the other time it is giving you 3, then 2, then 4. So it doesn't make a sense now. So that's why it is also unindexed, right? And by unchangeable it means when a set is declared, the values cannot be changed. Okay, cannot be changed, right? Yeah, also one more thing, set only stores unique elements. So you cannot store any duplicate elements like you can do in list and tuples. So only the unique elements will be stored. Even if you try to add a unique duplicate element, it will not give an error or anything. It will just pass it, but the only single the element is stored only a single time. Okay. हाँ ठीक है. Now moving on, adding in set. So adding in set is very easy. So if this is your set 1 2 3 4, you can just use add keyword, right, and insert the element as a parameter, and 5 will be stored in your set. Okay, now second, removing from set. So removing, here we have like uh, two ways. One is remove and the second is discard. Okay, uh, there are other ways also, but let's talk about these two first because there's a one peculiar situation between these two. So the syntax for this will be s dot either remove or s dot discard. Okay, let's suppose I am doing it 1, like I want to remove 1, and this is my set 10 20 and 30. Okay, so you can see I don't have 1 in my set, right? So remove will throw an error, but the discard will not throw an error. Okay, even if the element is not present inside the set, discard will not throw an error, but the remove will throw an error. So this is how you you can use remove to even know ki if the element is present in the set or not. Okay, if you are getting an error, that means it is not in the set. If you are not getting an error, that means the element was there in the set and it has been removed. Okay, this particular situation is not handled by discard properly. Okay, so that's why we typically use remove. Okay, then next we have pop. So as suggested in the list part as well, the pop will remove element on a index passed in the parameter. Okay, but that this one doesn't make sense in the set because as I said the set is unordered, and unindexed. So it will be removing elements randomly from the set, which is not cool. Anyways, the syntax for this will be s.pop. Then I have clear. So this is used to clear the set. Okay, so if you have this set, if you do s.clear, okay, you will get s equals to this, like it will empty out the entire set. Okay, next is del keyword. If you use delete s, like del s like this, it will delete your set completely. Like it will also unassign the set from the variable s, and even if you try to do print s after using del s, it will give you an error. Okay. Yeah. This is about removing the elements from the set. Now let's talk about looping in set. Okay. So looping in set is also straightforward. You just need to do for I in s and then print your I. So this type of looping is not index based, it's element based looping. Okay, so you are just looping over the entire list tuple or set all along, and it will take the elements automatically, like elements itself instead of the index of the element. Okay, now next is joining sets. Okay, to join sets we have union. Okay, we have like we use or operator as well. Okay, so if I have s1 as 1 2 3 and I have s2 as 3 4 5, if I do s1 dot join s2, I will get 1 2 3 4 and 5. As I said, sets always take unique elements, so these three are not like duplicate in both of the set when we are joining it. So that's why it is taking only one instance of 3 and then 4 and 5. Next, this is 1, and next if you use or operator, you can use s1 or s2 or whatever, how many number of sets you have. Over here right now we have 2, so we will just do s1 or s2 and we will get the same answer. Okay, next there is also one more way, it is called intersection. Okay, so what union does is union takes all elements one time from both set. Okay, union and or both does it, but intersection what it do is it takes only the elements that are present in both sets. Okay, so in both sets, so like I have s1 as 1 2 and 3 and s2 has 1 2 3 4 5. So to get the intersection of both of these, I will take a new tuple, a new set, then do s1 dot intersection and pass s2 inside of it. Okay, and the answer that I will get is 1 2 3, because 1 2 3 are the elements that are present in both the sets. Okay, so yeah, this is about sets, and I hope you like my lecture. If there are any issues or you want me to improve my skills in explaining the concepts more in a more clear way, please do let me know in the comment section. And if you like my video, please do press the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and please also share it with the more and more people, so it can so like more and more people can know more about Python and learn it. Okay, like okay, bye, thanks guys, good night.